Salesmate CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Salesmate CRM, watch this before committing. Salesmate is a customer relationship management tool designed to streamline sales processes, boost productivity, and improve customer interactions. It's primarily built for small to mid-sized businesses, sales teams, and customer service reps who want an all-in-one platform to manage leads, automate workflows, and track performance. But is it worth it? Let's break down what you need to know. First, Salesmate's core features include contact management, sales pipeline tracking, email automation, and built-in calling. The pipeline management is straightforward, allowing you to visualize your sales stages clearly and move deals through the funnel with a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can also set up automations to handle repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, assigning leads, and updating deal statuses. This is a huge time saver for busy sales teams. One standout feature is Salesmate's built-in phone system. It allows you to make calls directly from the platform, log call activity, and even access call recordings. This makes it easier to track communication history without juggling multiple tools. You can also use text messaging and live chat widgets to communicate with leads and customers in real time. Customization is another strength. You can tailor your pipelines, fields, and workflows to match your business needs. Plus, it integrates with popular tools like Slack, Zapier, Google Workspace, and QuickBooks, which enhances productivity by keeping your tools connected. On the analytics side, Salesmate provides detailed reports that give you insights into sales performance, activity tracking, and customer behavior. These reports can be customized to show the data that matters most to your business, helping you make informed decisions. Now, let's address some downsides. The mobile app, while functional, can feel limited compared to the desktop version. It's fine for basic tasks, but if you rely heavily on your phone for CRM tasks, you might feel constrained. Additionally, the learning curve can be a bit steep for complete beginners. While the interface is clean, it takes time to fully understand all the automation and customization options. In terms of pricing, Salesmate offers competitive plans starting at around $12 per user per month, which is affordable compared to other CRMs. However, keep in mind that some advanced features like automation and calling credits are only available in higher tier plans. So, who is Salesmate best for? If you're a small business or sales team looking for a customizable all-in-one CRM that includes calling and automation, Salesmate is a solid choice. It's especially valuable for teams that want to improve productivity without spending a fortune on enterprise-level tools. Final verdict? Salesmate is feature-packed, flexible, and cost-effective, but it's not perfect. It's best suited for teams that are ready to invest time in learning the platform and want a CRM that grows with their business. If that sounds like you, Salesmate is worth a try.